What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your Doge daily update. We'll talk about everything you need to know regarding the big moves we had yesterday and today. There's a lot to talk about, and I follow some Doge communities, and I know a lot of people were left with some questions after we got this price action. And to be honest, I was left with some questions as well, but I do know why at least the move up happened. All right, so we'll talk about what's going to happen today in general, everything you need to know. There are some updates regarding Twitter. However, it's hard to really quantify how that made Dogecoin move. So the thing is that, all right, so what happened yesterday? First of all, we had a big fundamental crash from Sunday on Monday, basically the market opening. And it opened bearish. So it's just that's just institutional moves. If you know a little bit about that from Forex or something, exactly the same is happening to crypto right now, which is a bad thing, I think, but still, that's not what we'll talk about. So from there, we dropped down quite a bit. So what I already said, we would probably recover a little bit. Then yesterday, what we had at around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, is the inflation rate. Right, so the inflation rate happened for the US. That always makes the market move. All right, so that happened. It was lower than expected. That's bullish for crypto. That's why we went up. But what happened then is that at 9.5, there's a very strong resistance level. You got a FIB there, the 382 FIB, which is strong, and then you got the 200 EMA there, which is also strong. So from there we dropped down, and we dropped down a little bit more than I would expect. I would expect us to actually I didn't say this, but I would have expected us to stay on top of 9.1 and 9.2 cents. But we actually broke down below that and now took a break retest, and right now Dogecoin is in this level between 9.2 cents and 8.8 cents. And it's going to be hard today to break above that, because tonight we'll have another important fundamental event, which I will tell you whether that's going to be bullish or bearish. And then on the Twitter side, what you could see is that there were some reports about Twitter not doing well financially. That could be a reason why we were more bearish, because obviously a lot of the fundamentals are built upon Twitter's success and the integration of Dogecoin with Twitter. And then what you could also see is that Elon Musk replied something. There was something where he replied to the Twitter payments again, which is obviously something that is coming up. However, some interesting tweets. I need to start reading them after this video, not in this video. But something like that happened that really didn't affect the Dogecoin a lot. I mean, we moved up a little bit from 8.9 cents, but that's also a strong technical level. So right now, what's going to happen with Dogecoin? As I said, we're between 9.2 cents and 8.8 cents. I don't think we'll be able to break above that or drop down under that. I don't think we'll have a breakout until 8 p.m. This evening. At least 8 p.m. for me. You can check it out at myfxbook.com what's going to be for you. Then, depending on the results, those will either be bullish or bearish off of the press conference and the interest rate decision, which I explained I explain what's bullish and what's bearish in a Bitcoin video, but I also cover it in my Discord. So if you want to join that, the link is down in the description. I'll post it at in about 3 or 4 hours. But that's going to be bullish or bearish. It's more likely going to be bullish. So I actually expect for Dogecoin that we will be able to break above 9.2, 9.3 cents, head up towards 9.5 cents, and then see, it's hard because I don't think we'll break above 9.5 cents. Maybe we'll get up to like 9.6, 9.7 cents. Do something like this. And then from there, retrace and basically follow the market. That's what I would see as the most likely scenario, given the fundamentals that we have and given the probabilities of certain fundamental events happening. But again, that might sound a little bit vague. So join the Discord or check out the Bitcoin video. I uploaded like 2 videos before this if you want to know what I would consider bullish and what I would consider bearish. Definitely worth the listen, I think, but obviously I'm a little bit biased on that. So that's my take on Dogecoin this morning. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.